Enjoy this vibrant explosion of junk journal stickers for my Junk Journal Madness project, where I'm a junk journal guest collaborator with Susan of I Turtly Love It. My mixed media junk journaling book told me that it would love these colorful plant and butterfly stickers to liven up some pages. After another 60 seconds of time-lapse junk journaling to music, I'll meet up with you again for a real-time junk journal tour of these sticker pages in this journal collaboration. You can also find junk journaling tutorials for the other pages in this mixed media journal listed in this video's description. See you in 60 seconds. I'm happy to have you junk journal with me. Let's slow it down a bit and share what I've done with stickers in this edition of Junk Journal Madness. I have used butterflies, succulents, and cacti, as well as botanicals inside of jars. The theme of this journal is Cornucopia of Gratitude, and I've used some of these container images as a cornucopia, a basket of plenty. Let's learn about that as we take a look at the pages. So the theme is gratitude oriented. On here I wrote filling my basket of plenty and goodness. All the various things that I'm grateful for and happy for. I had originally thought that I might use an autumn theme with actual gourds and corn and autumn harvest, but cornucopia could mean any basket of plenty. Here's the definitions: container of the harvest, overflowing plenty, abundant good things, and unending nourishment. So these stickers were really speaking to me with the bright, vibrant colors. The look that they had to them really complemented the colors that are in this junk journal already. And here towards the middle of the journal, I have finally used the traditional sketch of a cornucopia basket. So I sketched this out on a sticky note. I have cut a little slot in the sticky note, put a pocket behind it, and then glued it down to put this modern day cornucopia with some flowers and joy and gratitude in it. Inside of this, I have a heart, and I wrote, "Harvest your golden treasure." Harvest whatever is yours to be grateful for, appreciative, and thankful for. Continuing with these vibrant stickers, when the sticker came off from a paper like this, I just put a paper behind there so it doesn't stick to what's behind it. Continuing along, I did put a sticker inside of a couple pockets, and I've been wondering what to have showing through this window in this envelope, so that was a nice way to have that peeking through there. I defined cornucopia a couple pages ago. Now for gratitude: thankful, appreciative, focusing on the good things in life. And here's another example of where I put paper behind the tips of those butterfly wings on the stickers so they could stick off past the edge of the envelope. Thanks for junk journaling with me, taking a look at these fun sticker pages with this Cornucopia of Gratitude themed junk journal, and I will see you in the next video.